Hey there, YouTube. Crypto Force here again, bringing another daily dose of crypto. And I want to touch on two articles of news just came out today. They're really big. I'm going to try to explain in depth why they're big, what's important about them, and why you need to understand the importance of them. As you know, yesterday we hit all-time high on Bitcoin. Is around 11,700, 11,800 range, and we really did not have much pullback. We're sitting at 11,500 right now. This is absolutely unbelievable. Altcoins are all raising in prices. The reason being, guys, the news is getting out. The importance of cryptocurrency is getting out. The validity of it. So without further ado, let me jump into this. So Cboe to launch Bitcoin futures trading on Sunday. Now, as always, I'm going to stick the links to these news articles in the description below. And what is Cboe? Now, Cboe is actually the Chicago Futures Trading Exchange. So on Sunday, December 10th, you'll actually be able to trade futures on the Cboe Futures Exchange and now Bitcoin will have the ticker symbol XBT. So it won't be BTC, it'll be XBT, and you'll actually be able to trade futures on the Futures Exchange. Now, this has been signed off on by the Securities Exchange Commission. This is official. And what's big about this is going to bring in a lot of institutions and big buyers that before were afraid to, you really couldn't trade futures, so to speak. You had to go on different exchanges and try to buy and exchange the coins to do any kind of speculative trading with it. Now, this is official, so really big news here. Now, if you guys will remember back about 3 months ago, you had Jamie Dimon, the hypocritical CEO of JP Morgan, making his negative statements about how terrible cryptocurrency is. Bitcoin's the biggest bubble on the planet. He'd stay away from it. If anybody that worked for him bought any, he would fire him. And then lo and behold, after he crashed the price, several JP Morgan analysts and strategists actually purchased some Bitcoin. Now, here's the interesting part. Let's see here. This quote right here says, last week, a JP Morgan global market strategist forecast that the introduction of Bitcoin futures would legitimize cryptocurrency in the eyes of both institutional and retail investors, transforming the cryptocurrencies into an emerging asset class. So there you have it, folks. A JP Morgan strategist has just said Bitcoin is legitimized by this move. Now, if you guys listen to my previous videos, I've been saying that it wasn't official, but I believe the reason the increase in price in Bitcoin, why it continues to just move forward, is because of institutional investors. And I still believe that. And I think this is only the tip of the iceberg, folks. So, buckle up, don't panic sell, and look for those dips to try to jump in and get it at a good price. Moving to the next article. The next article, we have Venezuela to launch oil-backed cryptocurrency. Now, as you know, Venezuela, like Argentina, they're going through a horrible, horrible economic depression. It's devastating over there. Later in this article, it talks about how essentially the average wage in Venezuela is around $4.20 US a month. So, that's terrible. But what they're planning on doing is actually creating a cryptocurrency called Petro, and it'll be backed by their oil reserves, their gold reserves, and any other commodity, and gas reserves and diamond reserves. So they are making their own backed cryptocurrency. Now, it is very skeptical. Even their own people are kind of skeptical about it because they just, they don't know if this is just being jumped into too quick, but it's something to keep an eye on. So Petro will be the name of this ICO if it comes out. I don't really have too much information about it other than the fact that I'm just trying to put out that, a lot of countries are seeing the value in cryptocurrency now. And it's only a matter of time before we start phasing out fiat currency, because holding dollars and having to go through banks for massive transaction fees and 5-day hold periods for checks and so forth, that stuff that's the past. So I think you're really going to see this stuff start just taking off. If you guys have any questions, comments about these articles, or maybe some articles that you read, please post them in the comment section below. I'm trying to do better about responding and making videos more regularly. Hopefully my schedule will get a little easier. I've had about 15 disruptions trying to make this video, so I have to keep restarting it because I don't ever try to edit anything. There's always one-shot deals. But anyways, thanks, guys. If you guys have been watching this channel, if you like it, please share, subscribe, like. And as always, guys, I hope you guys are making some great trades. You're putting back the cryptocurrency so that, you know, one day we'll be the Roger Veres and be able to sit back and not have to do the whole 9-to-5 job, you know, for the next 30 years. Anyways, as always, guys, Crypto Force signing out.